Hi, I'm Jim Casey. I've been a licensed real estate agent since 1986, and although interest rates back then were coming down from record highs in the 18 to 20% range, I have never seen a market like the one we are experiencing today. If you're struggling with your real estate business, I'm here to tell you that there is hope, and that many of my consulting clients are having their best year ever in today's challenging real estate market. What my consulting clients have in common is that they have systems for generating leads, following up with prospects, providing superior customer service, and staying in touch with their past clients forever. To accomplish these, they have all become masters of database management. I'm contacting you today to give you advance notice of a brand new service called AgentOfficeExperts.com. If you've never used a contact manager or already own Agent Office, but have never seen a measurable return on your investment, I'd like to offer you free training and money-making, duplicatable strategies that I've shared with agents like Craig Proctor and Alan Dom. If you missed my previous 2 emails, I want to share a third strategy with you, and I'm going to do it for free. The sad fact is that most people who purchase a contact management software program for real estate never really get it to work properly or profitably. In these challenging economic times, it is more important than ever to follow up on leads and stay in touch with your past customers. I can show you how to do just that, and I promise to make it easy, automatic, and fun. I'm only offering this free training to a limited number of people.
Now that you've created your initial default letter, we're going to close the word processor. One thing that you can do as a shortcut here is kind of a throwback to some of the earlier versions of the software. In some of the modules, you'll see a button that has a little picture of a red door, and this is a shortcut for closing any one of the modules. It doesn't appear on all the modules. In fact, the word processor is one of the last modules that still maintains this shortcut. The other option is you can simply go to the upper right-hand corner and click on the red X to close the word processor. Now, each time you create a custom letter, you'll always be asked if you'd like to save it prior to continuing. We're going to, in this case, click on No. We don't need to save this particular initial default letter. This takes us back to the desktop, and what I'm going to show you are the 2 places where you can write custom letters now that you've created your initial default letter. The one place we can do it from the desktop is we can go up to the word Write, and from the pull-down menu, we'll click on the first item that says Letter. It'll always ask me if I'd like to substitute to a different address. Keep in mind that we will always use the default address, whatever is displayed on the contact record. However, if you have displayed or stored additional addresses for a contact, you can override the system and select them from here. But 99% of the time, you're simply going to click on OK and bypass this Merge Options window. This creates the custom letter template, and we can begin typing our custom letter to Mary Alexander. I'm going to close up the word processor again. I'm not going to save the changes. I'll click on No. And the second place you can write a custom letter is by doing it from the Contact Manager module. Now, I can either open the Contact Manager module from the main toolbar by clicking on the icon with a little picture of a silhouette of a man in a suit, or the shortcut is I can click on any one of the contact's names, which is a link here from the Rolodex. This takes me to the Contact Manager module, and by going up to the word Write and clicking on Letter, it'll open up the same options. I'll click on OK, and I'll have the same blank initial default letter.